This is the stainless steel 5-cup coffee percolator from Campfire. I'm going to run you through how it works. Let's get started.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's here today with a Campfire stainless steel coffee percolator. Now Jake, one of our YouTube viewers, gave us a bit of a shout out, wanted us to do a review on this for him. We're doing it today. Now, I haven't actually used this personally, sorry Jake, but going by the reviews on our website, it makes a pretty good coffee. I'm just going to go run through today what comes in the box when you buy it and how it works or how it makes the coffee. Weighs about 450 grams and 1.4 litres of volume inside here, so it makes less coffee than that because you don't fill it all the way up. This is stainless steel construction throughout. The handle's got little wooden panels on here just to insulate it while you're holding it. And the lid on top has got a glass knob, which might seem a little strange given it's a camping item, but that'll make a bit more sense when I run through with you shortly how it works. Now what comes in the box is included inside here. There's no extra features, so I'm going to take the inners and run through this shortly with you, but that comes contained within the kettle when you get it in the box. And when used like this, it's just a nice heavy duty stainless steel kettle. There's a little lever here that allows you to open and close the lid quite easily. A spout with a bit of a strainer inside there, and that's going to be used just for boiling water in the campsite. Now the coffee magic really happens when you put this unit inside. Now there's 3 parts here. We've got the basket, the top, and the spout. Now this sits on the bottom of the kettle. You can imagine this is inside the kettle now, and this is a straw, so you can see through this to the other end. So the idea is that the water boiling on the bottom of the kettle here is forced up through the straw. Now when you put the basket on top of that, this water then comes out the top here and into the basket, and when used in conjunction with the lid here, this spreads the water out and drips down through this basket here where you'll put your coffee. Now the holes inside the basket here are relatively large, so you're going to need a pretty coarse grind of coffee or some sort of maybe a coffee filter even to go in there. There's not a custom one to fit in there, but haven't had many complaints about coffee grinds in their coffee, in users' coffee. But if anyone's got any suggestions on what they use, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below so that you can help people in the market for one of these make a perfect coffee. So you put your coffee in the bottom there, you put this on top, you put this inside your kettle in the bottom there, you then put this on top of your stove. Now this is where the glass lid comes into play, because this little unit here kind of creeps up inside the glass lid at the top here. What that means is when this is sitting on your stove and boiling away, you can see the color of the coffee come up through the lid here, or through the handle here, sorry. You can get an idea of maybe how strong the coffee is that you're brewing in there. So this is a continual circuit. So the coffee is going to get to the bottom here, it's going to boil, it's going to get forced up that straw to the middle, come out the top and go back down and drip over the coffee again, and it's going to start the cycle again. It's going to come back up over the top. So it's continually brewing that coffee until you get it as strong as you want. And once you're done, you pour your coffee out and enjoy it. Now this is great for stove tops, also for camp stove or hike stoves. Wouldn't use it on the open fire though, because it does have a wooden handle that's not going to last long in an open fire. You can grab these online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you thought that video was useful, subscribe to our channel. We'll send you all of our latest and greatest information. Got any questions, let us know down in the comments below, or if you've got any tips on how to make a great coffee in one of these, please give us your knowledge. Or if you want some other useful videos, try these ones down here.